P.S. Don't use the Will bottle opener. Check this out. Strawberry name goes here. And Shelby's Bloody Orange. Nice. I can't wait to try that Bloody Orange, man. Give me some honey too. And some gin flavoring. Let's look. Let's check it out. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. It's a bottle of mead. A bottle of mead and some gin flavoring. Another bottle of mead. Mead everywhere, boy. This is awesome. Some honey. I'll open all these in a second. Mead. Mead. Gin flavorings. Some more mead. That is awesome. I'll open these and we'll check them out. This is everything unpacked. He sent me 3 kinds of mead, strawberry, the tribute, and a new one that I haven't tried yet, which I can't wait to try this. I'll probably do a video and let my buddy Josh try it with me on the All Sorts channel. This is a Shelby Blood Orange Mead. I believe he made it with this Shelby family pure raw honey. It says it's made out of alfalfa and clover. That's what them bees are eating on, or getting, or whatever. And there's 3 kinds of gin flavoring. There's dry, elderflower, and pink, which is forest berry style gin. I can't wait to try these out in a drink. I'm probably going to use this either in a mead, and let's try it. I'm either going to use it in a mead, or I'll probably use it in a thumper to flavor some moonshine. But if you don't know, oh, it's got a good taste to it. Most honeys taste different from each other, and that's what's awesome. It's finding a really good honey, and that's a really good honey. Just like, you know, the cheapest shit you buy at Walmart, it's usually always going to taste the same. But there's different bees from different parts of the world that use different things. For example, most of the honey that you're going to get that's cheap on the shelf is clover honey. A little more expensive is going to be alfalfa, star thistle. There's 100 kinds of honey. And they all have a different taste to them. But I can't wait to use this. He said it's really hard to use. Some honeys are like that because of something having to do with something. I don't know how to explain it. I used to know what it was. Some honeys aren't really fermentable that well because they will, I fucking forget. Whatever. But I like a challenge. So I'll either use this in my thumper to flavor something, send Steven a sample. I still need to send him some Smurfberry. That's coming real soon. Or I'll make a small mead with it. I'm trying to think. Small mead recipe. I'll think of one later. I appreciate this, Steven. You're awesome. This one came open a little bit got out, but it's still good. Still fizzy in there. I'm going to try these on the All Sorts channel with Josh. I might put a video of me trying them on the Phil Billy again. I know that these 2 are awesome. I want to try this one. I can't wait. See you guys later. Put your mama, bitch! I got Big Dummy here. He's going to try these with me. Be careful of these. Sometimes they're
A little fizzy.
Oh yeah.
Cap over. Which one's this one?
This one is cute strawberry.
So where's Five Bees Mead out of?
Chino, California.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this, man. I love me some mead. I appreciate you, bro.
This is the strawberry one. You can smell the strawberry.
Yeah, you can, as soon as you cracked it. Oh, man. It looks fantastic. And the light.
Fizzy Babala.
Dude, that's amazing.
Yeah. The last one had more strawberry flavor, but this one's excellent. I mean, they're both excellent. There was a little more strawberry in the last batch you sent me.
Like, this should be on
There's
the
more
shelf.
honey in this one. Yeah, man. That's better than, because it's sparkling. That's what I like about his mead. And he said he's trying to find a way to do away with that, and I like that. I mean,
The only other time I've tasted sparkling mead was down in Gatlinburg. There's a place you can go in and do tastings, and this is so much better than that was. I don't remember the name of it.
homemade's always the best made.
This is awesome.
And this is a tribute. What was bottled on ABV 7.2 of the strawberry? The tribute is that's awesome, bro. That's killer. Tribute's 5%. I've already had these two. I'm gonna drink these in a minute. I really, really want to try this new one.
I like that tribute. It's more of a traditional style mead. Yeah. So
This is
you're moving too fast.
the Shelby Blood Orange.
I haven't moved on from the tribute yet. This one's really good.
Over smacking your lips, you sound like a horse gnawing on a big bunch of grass.
Give me some grass.
Big grass-fed horse-eating some bitch.
I prefer wheat. So don't be giving me no fucking crabgrass shit out of your yard. You give me grass to chew on, it's gotta be wheat.
He's Mr. Fred.
Nay, bitch, nay.
Smell citrus.
Always got about the same.
Oh, wow. That's my favorite. I like that one. I like them all. I don't know, man. It's hard to pick a favorite, ain't it?
I'd say strawberry is really strong, and it's hard to get past that. I thought the strawberry was really good. You don't get a whole lot of, strawberry alcohols or liquors because it's usually hot. Taste something good strawberry is different. And well done.
Yeah, yeah.
Very, very well done.
I like that new one, man. That new one is awesome mead, bro.
Like, dude, these are better than any mead that I've tasted on shelves.
Yeah.
Gotten from places like this.
He does a great job. Yeah.
These should be on shelves. 100%.
He'll be on some shelves before long. I don't know how hard that is out in Cali, though. There's a lot of extra rules and regulations and laws out in Cali.
Well, it's just another reason, moving to a state where it's easier.
But it's beautiful out there. And, it's full of vampires.
This is beautiful.
I love vampires.
This is awesome, man.
Yeah.
5 Five Bees Mead.
5 Bees Mead.
5 Bees Mead.
Steven.
Amazing.
It's a good one, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. I'm going to review this with Josh on the All Sorts channel also.
Keep doing what you do, bro, because
I'll put a link to all the 5 Bees Mead stuff in the description. And you guys check him out. And when he's on the shelves, keep an eye out.